Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Roblox. So yeah, so hindi pa siya naka-ready kasi inaano ko pa yung screen recorder ko. So yeah, today we're just gonna play with ourselves because my friends are still asleep and some of them are doing modules. So yeah. So today we're gonna play Shark Bite. Yeah, Shark Bite. So yeah, let's just wait until it's fully loaded. Wait lang, technical difficulties, guys. So yeah, let's just get there. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. It's going. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to not miss any videos of my channel. And by the way, can you guys please follow to my TikTok account? It's Julian at Julian B. Demafelis. I mean at Julian Demafelis English. And if you guys know, I am a gacha editor, but my edits are not that really good, so please don't judge my edits. So yeah, today we're gonna play Shark Bite. Anyways, guys. So yeah, let's just wait. Still loading. Okay, let's go. My screen might be too laggy because I'm kind of I literally sometimes I have like Wi-Fi problems. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. But guys, if you guys wait, yo, somebody's. Anyways, my friend joined me. So yeah, my friend joined me, and I think she left. Yeah, she didn't. She didn't. Okay. So like yeah, I think the shark is AFK. And oh my gosh, it's the shark, the shark. I think the shark has like technical difficulties, so I think we should just shoot him. I'm too scared to do it. Wait, see him. Is there two sharks? Because I only see like I see two. Anyways, oh my gosh, it's the shark. Let's go kill him. So I think these people don't really like believe me that I have a YouTube channel. So let's just ignore that. Okay, guys, be careful. He's right on our tail. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Oh, somebody died. So anyways, so yeah. I think we're going to survive it because, look. The button. It's a finger, like, look. Lol. This is good so far. Hello guys, by the way, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and please follow my TikTok account, which is Julian Demafelis English with no space. Okay, no space. Just oh. Okay, so I think somebody's gonna be dead right now. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people that is alive right now. So yeah. Oh, it's a Titanic. Let's go. Hi Titanic. Done. Whoa, that sound is weird. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, I want to hear it. That sound was so weird. Like promise. Oh my gosh, GG. GG guys. Whoa. Whoa, that, you guys heard that, right? You guys heard that. Wait, why am I not here? Okay, I'm there. I'm here. Yeah, sure. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Lol. We're literally on 8 minutes right now. Wait, I need to find some sweet chocolate. Okay, got it. I got my first bed. Anyways, guys, today we're with Candy and we're gonna play, anyways, guys, oh, the shark have a party hat! Oh my gosh! Okay, so yeah, Candy's gonna say hi. So yeah. The shark have a damn party hat. And by the way, guys, if me and my friends and you guys like heard like slang words from Kelly, please do not copy him. If you're a child and you don't know what it means, it's a bad word. Okay, please do not copy what he's saying at 5 o'clock. Anyways, so yeah, I think guys heard that, right? See? That sound is super weird. This is the Titanic, right? I'm gonna stay here for now. See? That's weird. Not today! God. If he can see us, I will be so scared. I have a gun, by the way. It's a no, Candy! Candy! No. Candy left, Candy left. Did Candy left? Yeah, she left. Hello guys, so yeah, it's already been 13 minutes. And I think it's time to buy something. My target right now is the ray gun. Or maybe I should buy this hammered head, which is only 600, and I already have 600 right now. Did Candy left? Yeah, she left. Anyways, guys, I think this is the end of the video because I don't think my storage have enough to make this video. Oh, what's this? Oh.